Hey everybody, Reverend Kevin Lee here. Listen, I wanted to do something a little fun this evening. I wanted to do some unboxing of a package that I received, which is a Bluetooth technology for microphone systems. It's like a Bluetooth microphone app, and the company's called LoveHeyMic.com. So there's a little plug for them, but let's get started. All right, so here we go. We got our trusty little box here. Okay, love it, love it. Okay, here we go. Let's see. What has Santa brought us? What has Santa brought us? We gotta get it. Oh, it's so light. I love it. Wow, I'll talk about killing a tree. Lord, killed a tree for this one. All right, let's see. Okay, don't need that. So we have this little product here. There we go. HeyMic. And so this box is about probably 3 inches tall, maybe an inch-ish wide, deep. And here it is, the HeyMic Bluetooth mic. And let's continue. Let's see what we can do here. That's the best. There we go. Interesting, nice packaging. Actually, very nice packaging. Cool. Check this out. There we go. LoveHeyMic.com. That's pretty groovy. I like that. Nice little, a very nice faux leather, very sturdy case to protect my mic, which is very important. You don't want things crushing your mic or putting pressure on it. It's actually stored beautifully. It's got some foam on the inside here, and definitely the recharging unit instruction manual as well. So let's just pop this little bad boy out and see what we've got. And literally, it's about 2 inches long, as you can see, and really not even an inch, probably even a good ½ inch thick. And this clips onto your shirt, your lapel. Very nicely made. There you have your, let's see if we can see this a little better. There we go. There we have our audio buttons for volume, and then we have our charging port. Okay, super simple, on and off, and also pairing for your Bluetooth. And it says LoveHeyMic.com. So there's the shameless plug for that company. They didn't pay me for this, unfortunately, but I'm excited, super excited. I got this for about $125, and that's a very fair price. When you go to their website and check this out, watch their videos, you will see incredible quality. And going forward, I should have much better video quality, audio quality, utilizing this device. It talks about the different components of the smart clip, and charging time looks like it takes up to 2 hours, and all you have to do is just download the HeyCam app from the App Store, which should be pretty easy. Pairing is easy with this little button here. Of course, you can see that right there above my thumb. You can see that button. That's where you pair at. Okay, if you want to listen with your headphones, you can see a tiny little hole at the bottom. Plug your headphone into that and operate that through airtime. And anyway, this device is basically worn at chest level, it says. And anything else important? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's really important. So the frequency range, the range of this device is really up to 65 feet from your phone, which is spectacular. And this device will last for about 6 hours once you charge it and begin to use that. So that's pretty fantastic. Very pleased. And it operates on an RF frequency of 2.4 to 2.48 gigahertz. For those of you interested in RF frequencies. All right, so check it out. Go check it out at LoveHeyMic.com. So I just want to thank you guys for watching my HeyMic unboxing video. If you like it, Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing some different things. And also, I'll be keeping you guys abreast of what's coming up within my, my travels and local events. So we'll see you guys soon.